Hello, you are welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's class I'm going to teach you on how you can make millions creating and selling digital courses. Are you an expert in any area, or you have knowledge in any area, or you have skills? There are a lot of people who want to know and want to learn those skills, and you can make loads of money for yourself. And in this video I'm going to teach you step by step and show you the process that I follow in order to create my online course. I've been able to build a 6-7 figure business for myself, creating and selling online courses just in the online space. For those of you who are new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Coach Kevin, and I teach people on several ways that they can make money online, basically with their smartphone and internet connection, as well as leveraging on digital skills. So kindly comment, like, click the subscribe button and turn on post notification, because I post valuable information just like you're getting now. Are you ready? So let's dive in. Yeah, making millions creating online courses. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step approach, what has worked for me and what is still working for me, and what I'm doing explicitly in this tutorial. So the very first question that I want to ask you is why you should start creating now. If you have not started creating now, please start creating now, because these are some reasons that I've outlined here. They are the reasons why you should start immediately. After watching this tutorial, go ahead and start creating your online courses. Now the very first one is that it is the era and trend now. That is it. So social media is on a level whereby monetization it's normal. A lot of people know about monetization. If you're selling one skill or the other, you're selling one course or the other, and you position yourself rightly, you're going to get people who will be interested in your offer, and they are going to pay for it. Now the next one is that you get 100% profit selling digital courses. That is why you see a lot of people are made millionaires easily in the online space if they are selling digital space courses, because they make 100% profit. They only have to create the product once. After creating the product once, they start making 100% profit selling that product. So you see, this is another reason why you need to start creating it now. Now the next one is that your reach is one-to-many. When I mean one-to-many, wherever you are, just using your smartphone from the comfort of your home, you can reach out to 1,000 persons through running adverts. You can reach out to 10,000 persons. You can reach out to lots of people just from the comfort of your home. So, and if you are reaching out to those people and they are seeing your offer, they are going to be buying your courses, because there are different levels of courses. We have the low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket courses. So whichever that you want to create, whatever that you are creating, people are going to see the offer and they will buy the offer. Now the fourth reason is that the ultimate successful goal of impact, influence, and income. If you are a person that wants to really excel in the online space, here's a secret that other coaches may not tell you. The very first thing that you should be concerned about is making impact on the life of others. And if you're concerned about that, you're going to make impact in their life, you're going to make influence, and they are going to exchange their money for you for the value that you want to give them. So if you have that goal, if that is not your goal, please have it in mind. For you to create your online courses, you should be somebody that want to make impact in the life of others. That is, as you are teaching, you want to create that online course, you are ensuring that it is really value packed, it can make impact in the life of others, or you are not putting money in front first. What you are putting is the impact that you want to make in the life of other people, and they will give you money in return. So these are some reasons why you should start creating now. Now I'll be talking about what ideas can sell fast. Any idea that solves a problem can sell. Any idea that solves a problem. So people pay for their problems to be solved. So, but in the online space, there are three main niches that exist. We have the wealth niche, relationship niche, and the health niche. If you are in the wealth niche, it means that probably you want to get people whatever you want to sell. We help people make more money, we help them get more visibility and make more money, people are going to, if you have a solution to their problem. Let's assume, like myself, some of my courses include content creation, graphic design. So my graphic design course help people to create content by themselves. They do not have to go pay another designer. So it's actually servicing the world's niche. So if they create this content by themselves, they can be able to sell more of their products. They can be able to let people see their offer, create interest, awareness using their designs, and then sell more of their products. So you can leverage on the world's niche. Another niche you can leverage on is relationship niche, but you might not see these two. A lot of people are not really into the relationship, but it's actually existing. And if you understand the relationship niche, you are going to make a lot of money doing that. Then the third one is the health niche. People who sell these health products. There's a saying that health is wealth. Everyone wants to be healthy, so people will go for anything health. So but if you are in the wealth niche, it is fine. Whatever niche that you have, if you implement the strategies I'm going to tell you now, you are going to be able to create your own online course and start selling immediately. So there are some obstacles that never exist, but it's as if they are real in your mind. This might be the reason why some of you have not started creating your online course. And I just want to tell you that these obstacles, they are never real. They are never ever real. The very first one is that, are people going to buy? Is that your question? Are you having that question in mind? Asking yourself, are people going to buy? Yes, of course, because it's solving their problem. They are going to buy. They are going to buy. So if that is the question you have in mind, please take it off your mind right now, because people are going to buy your offer. Whatever you create, people are going to buy it. Now the next obstacle is that I need a huge following. I don't have. No, you don't have to. You don't need to have a huge following to start creating your online courses for people to buy, because it is possible to create this online course, run adverts on them, people see your offer, they come in, their interest is in it. You buy your description and all that you are going to show them, they see it, and then they get the offer. And the third one is that I need to be an expert before I start. You really do not have to be an expert before you start coaching others. All you just need to be is to be a step ahead of them. If you have attained any level of success, you can get somebody to that level by teaching them. And when you teach them, your time is involved, and your wealth of knowledge is involved. They will pay you money in exchange for it. So these obstacles, they never ever exist. They are not there. They are never there. Because I often tell my students and people around me that if there is an offline market where you do buying and selling, there is also an online market. So there are people online that are exchanging money for value. So let's dive in. Now, what you should create online courses on. These are 3 things that you should create online courses on right now if you have not started creating your online course. The first one is any business that you are successful at already. You are successful at any business. You're currently doing any business right now. You're successful at it. Then you need to go ahead and start creating online courses for that business. Now the next one is the skills that you have acquired. Do you have any skill, any form of skill? It can be a digital skill, it can be a physical skill. You could do a recording of that skills and teach it for people. You teach it to people, and they're going to pay you money for it. Your experience in a particular niche. Do you have experience in any particular niche? Maybe an experience in maybe a skill or anything, any experience you have at all. You can convert it into digital products, and people can give you money in exchange for it because you are providing value to them. So let's talk about the steps that you follow to create your online course. So the steps I've listed here, they are just about 5 steps. So you see that it is really very easy to get this done. It is not really difficult as it may seem. Probably some of those obstacles that I mentioned may be the one that that have been stopping you from doing it. But after today, I encourage you to go ahead and start creating your online courses. Now, the very first thing that you need to do is that you need to outline the step by step what you want to teach on paper. Get a book and a paper, get a book and biro, get a book and a pen, then outline what you want to teach. Now, if you have outlined it, organize it in a way that when you start recording your courses, when you start recording it, people are going to understand it, even if they are not there. Even if they are not there, they will understand what you're doing. Now, the next thing is to record your classes or put it in writing in an ebook. In the description of this video, you are going to see a tutorial, a YouTube link to another video that will show you on how to record your screen on your smartphone. So recording your screen on your smartphone, you can quickly do that. Record your screen on your smartphone, and then you already have your course recorded. But if you want to record it, you also record it step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, like that, in the order that anyone who is watching or going through the course, when you're not there, the person will be able to understand it even while you're not there. Now, the next step is to use simple tools to host your videos. Simple tools to host your videos. The very first one is Google Drive, or you can use Selar. So I've also dropped links to a Google Drive tutorial on how you can do that. So after creating your videos or creating your ebook, you can upload it on Google Drive. That is where your courses are hosted. Then when people make payment for it, you can then give them access to it on the drive. Like I said, this business is totally online. You don't need to have a shop, you don't need to rent a shop. Google Drive is free. It's a free drive. You don't need to buy more space. So whatever you create now, it can enter there, or use a digital product platform like Selar. I've also dropped a link to a playlist on how you can get registered on Selar, get started on Selar, and start uploading your courses there. The fourth thing that you need to do is to set up payment gateways. So payment gateways can help you receive payments on automation while you're not there, because some of this payment gateway, there is a way to set a payment page. After setting a payment page, immediately the person pays, the person is redirected to the course. So you don't have to be there. You don't have to be there to attend to the person. Probably after the person has paid, that is when later you go to the person, or probably you get details of the person and reach out to that. Okay, I saw that you got my course today. I'd like to add you to a support group just to see what you're doing and ensure that you are getting value from this. So you see, those are some of the advantages that you get creating your online course using payment pages. So some of those payment pages include payment gateways such as Selar. Selar has a payment gateway, of which if you click on the link that I have dropped on the description, you're going to see how to set up your Selar. Then also flutterwave, you can go make research on the use of flutterwave as well as paystack. Now the final thing that you need to do is to create ads. Create ads, create graphics, and run social media adverts. So people need to know about your offer. If your offer is not visible, they are not seeing it, they will not buy. They have to be aware. You need to carry them through the sales funnel process, and the sales funnel process is very simple. You have to create awareness in them, make them interested, and then get them to desire your product. Then they are going to take action. That's a simple process that you follow. So I guess you have gained a lot of value from what I've shared. I'll just simply repeat the steps that I have said just now. So the steps that you need to follow to create your online course include: the first one, applying step by step of what you want to teach on paper. That's the first thing that you need to do. Then the next thing is that record your classes. You can either do a video recording like I'm doing now. Like I said, the recording software that I use, which you can use on your smartphone, it's on the description of this video. You can record it. You record the tutorial step by step such that people will understand what you're doing even if you are not there. Then the next thing is to use simple tools to host your videos. You can do it on Google Drive. I'll drop a link on Google Drive also, as well as Selar. Then you set up payment pages. Set up these payment pages. Either you're using Selar, flutterwave, paystack. Another beautiful advantage of some of these payment pages is that it can help you receive money from other countries, so you are not really localized. Like I said, your reach is one to many. You are leveraging on the internet, so you can sell to anyone. Anyone can reach out to you and get your offer. And using payment pages, you can receive money in dollars. You can receive money in international currencies. Then the last thing that you need to do is to create awareness. Create awareness, drive a lot of traffic, drive it to your course. Drive it to your course. So that is what you need to do. So I guess you have gained a lot from this video. Now for those of you who want to be heard by the end, but like you want to learn how to create this step by step by an expert like me, although I have shared quite a lot, you can quickly implement what I've shared. But you want to get continuous coaching from me, one-on-one coaching from me, then you can reach out to me. I'll recommend a product, one of my products that I shared, that you learn everything. You're going to learn everything. I recommend one product for you, and then there are a lot of things that you learn from that course. So you can click the link or description to reach out to me if you want to get it. And it's going for I think you get up to about 50% the price right now. You get 50% the price of the course right now. So but go ahead and implement all I've said. Then if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, or you reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I've put my link around here. Reach out to me to ask your question. All right guys, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in the next video.